Hello, David again, MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. I am on a brand new 2020 Boston Whaler Super Sport. This boat just came in. It does include the trailer. Up here on the bow we have a large storage compartment. We could store the anchor in here. This does drain over the side. It's also sealed in the inside for wet storage. We have grab rails as we move back to the stern. Up here on the helm, we have a lockable glove box. Up here in the front, we have an RPM gauge, charge port, our light controls, of course our throttle controls. There's storage underneath the throttle here for the stern light. As we move back, we have a removable fuel tank. You don't need to keep in the boat, you can take out fuel as you need. This boat is powered by a 40 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke engine. There is a boarding ladder on this side. And this boat is available at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Thank you.